In this video, you will learn how to manage and customize your recordings, including renaming them, adjusting visibility, changing colors, downsampling, exporting data, and accessing detailed recording information. Once a recording is captured, it is automatically saved in the project with the start timestamp. From there, you can customize or adjust its behavior based on the type of analysis required. To view additional options, right-click on the recording to open its context menu. One of the first actions you may want to take is renaming the recording. This makes it easier to organize your test by noting details such as firmware revision, use case, or a specific scenario being validated. If you're working with multiple recordings, you can choose to focus on one. Focusing will dim all other recordings in the graph, helping you concentrate on a single recording without distraction. Alternatively, you can hide any recording you don't need at the moment to maintain a clean view. Recordings can also be deleted. If you accidentally remove one, you can quickly undo the action by pressing Ctrl Z on Windows or Ubuntu or Command Z on Mac OS. For visual clarity, especially when comparing multiple recordings, you can change the color of any recording to enhance contrast or match your preferred color. If you're using an Otii Pro, recordings are captured at default sample rate of 50 kilosamples per second, but this is possible to change before the recording. Both with Otii Pro and Otii Arc Pro, it is possible to downsampling recordings afterwards to reduce file size or simplifying analysis. This is useful for handling long captures or when exporting data for external processing. Regarding exports, recordings can be exported as CSV files, either as a complete recording or a specific select segment. This feature is useful if you wish to analyze data using custom tools or incorporate it into automated workflows. Beyond the context menu, each recording can also be expanded for additional metadata. This view displays the recording name, the exact date and time it was captured, a list of measured channels with their sampling rates, and an offset field. The offset field allows you to adjust the recording alignment directly within the interface as needed. To start using it, just update Otii to its latest version.